Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2013 63 Reg F33 330D M Sport Saloon in Alpine White. This is a very clean and tidy example. Does come with full BMW service history alongside being a low mileage example. Of course, we've added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, as well as a brand new set of the 19-inch M Performance style alloys with 4 brand new tyres. You'll see at the front does have the LED daytime running lights, as well as those very eye-catching alloys. We've also made the addition of the gloss black mirror caps. It does come with BMW sun protection glazing. Down the side of the car, you can see, alongside being a clean and tidy example, we've added both satin side vinyls and matching sidebars. The interior for the car matches nicely with the exterior. It is a full black Dakota leather and comes with the electric lumbar options for drivers and passengers. We've got the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall show you more of the interior features shortly. For rear passengers, very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench. Once again, has all been kept in superb condition and does come with the darkened M Sport headlining, of course. Moving round to the rear of the car, again showing you off these brand new set of 19-inch alloys. We've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and the matching diffuser on the car. If you've not yet seen the boot capacity for the F33 3 Series, you can see here that it is a very large one, and as you can see, offers plenty of space and again is a clean and tidy area. We are of course now offering a click and collect service along with the UK government guidelines here at Your Next Car. To find more about that, please see the description for a link to our website. You'll also find the prices and funding options for this wonderful vehicle, along with all of our other incredible examples. Again, showing you off the clean and tidiness of this 330D before we hop on inside the car for a tour of its interior features. Again, showing you off that everything is very clean and tidy. Now we're sat inside the car. You can see there we've got the BMW business navigation and media screen. The current mileage for this vehicle is just over 36,000 miles, so it is a really low mileage for its age. You can see it's also had the digital speedo enabled, which is a nice little feature. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on a multifunction M Sport steering wheel. In terms of your multimedia, there is DAB, there is also USB and AUX inputs, as well as, you can see there, we've got a CD drive. Backing out of there and going to the satellite navigation, which is one of the most user-friendly systems on the market. There is also Bluetooth telephone. And going back into the vehicle information screen, we'll head through and show you this vehicle's service history, which, as I mentioned at the start, is full BMW. It's not due one for 10,000 miles. And up at service history, if we go all the way down to the bottom and then make our way up to the most recent, as you can see there, was carried out at just over 30,000 miles, which is just for a brake fluid service. And the time before that, if we go back, would have been for its second or third service, actually, was for a full service including all filters. So there is a look around another fantastically presented 330D here at Your Next Car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the walk around. As I've mentioned, all of the relevant information and further information can be found in the description below. Thank you guys, do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.